This is ETV Bharat. Welcome to News Time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday launched a blistering attack on the opposition India, asserting that the alliance has not been able to pick its PM candidate and there is a lot of infighting over the same. Union Minister and senior BJP leader Rajnath Singh said on Sunday that the track record of the Narendra Modi government has been fabulous as it considers people supreme, whereas the Congress treats a family supreme. Samajwadi Party President Akhilesh Yadav on Sunday visited the family of mafia-turned-politician Mukhtar Ansari at his home in Ghazipur and said he hoped the truth of his death will come out and the family will get justice. Bengaluru is facing a double whammy as India's Silicon City is now experiencing extremely hot weather, which is further exacerbating the ongoing water crisis. Bengaluru recorded 37.6 degrees Celsius on Sunday, the highest that the mercury has gone in the past 8 years in the city. Political strategist Prashant Kishore has suggested that Rahul Gandhi should consider stepping back if the Congress does not get the desired results in the Lok Sabha polls. Kishore said that Gandhi, for all practical purposes, is running his party and has been unable to either step aside or let somebody else steer. The Congress on Sunday hit back at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying he is rattled by its guarantees and is making baseless statements against it in desperation to save his chair. The opposition party said after June 4, PM Modi will have to go on long leave. Kerala has become a hotbed for anti-national forces due to the misgovernance and vote bank politics by the parties which were in power in the state over the years, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis said in Thiruvananthapuram on Sunday. The ruling CPIM in Kerala and the opposition Congress, both part of the India bloc on Sunday, traded allegations against each other on various issues, including CAA and the recent Kannur blast, as the Lok Sabha poll campaign intensified in the state. Polling will be held in the state on April 26. Known for his contributions to the Indian horror genre, revered filmmaker and cinematographer of the renowned Ramsay brothers, Gangu Ramsay, passed away at the age of 83 in Mumbai on Sunday. His death was confirmed by his family in a statement. Log on to etvbharat.com for the latest updates.